Whātuanuku, whātuarangi, tūhono mai ki tēnei hōtaka hou, Whatu-a.
Education is important for many reasons. Obviously it starts our foundation off as tamariki.
I don't think school is that important. I think education is important.
Because you will never unlearn it. Once you've learned something, you will always have it.
You know, knowledge is power.
Just recently, education was more than just learning. It opened a lot more doors.
Education and degrees aren't important for themselves, but it will give you access to experiences that you wouldn't normally get.
E kore e mutu tēnei mā te ako. The learning journey never stops. And education is so important, you know, it's what keeps us going, it's what keeps our mind stimulated, what keeps the kaupapas coming up. But mātauranga in many forms, you know, it's not mātauranga, just university, just kura, just this, just that, it's whatever you make it out to be. I think mine's always been I love learning. I love knowing things, and I don't know whether that's, you know, out of curiosity, whether that's wanting to be a whakaputa mōhio.
I was like, well, I love kids. I could probably do that. And I knew it was going to be 3 years out of my life, and if I don't want to do it afterwards, that's fine. At least I've got a tohu. And yeah, but I love it.
I guess for me, I've always kind of been of the philosophy of not just working to earn, you got to work to learn. If you don't have the paper, if you don't have the degree to back it, sometimes it's a little bit harder to get your point across.
Work ethic in terms of turning up is really important. Depending on what it is that you do on a day-to-day basis, it will have an impact on that one day that you don't turn up.
If you're not into it, don't even bother. And sometimes you don't know what you're into until you give it a go.
Take the risks.
What was that stupid saying, I'd say?
Well, it's better to try and fail than fail to try.
So I'd always repeat that to the girls.
Do something that you're passionate about, do something that you love, because often when you do mahi that you love, you get the best results.
Don't try conform to, you know, what they want you to do. Be yourself and yeah, just go hard. Te ao Māori is your backbone, that's all I'm going to say.
I'd take my glasses off, but you might confuse me with Superman.
You can just check it here.
And so especially in our space where...
And out.
Yay!
Lunchtime.